Today, I want to talk to you honestly. Many people think English fluency comes from learning difficult words. They think smart English means big vocabulary. But real spoken English is very different. Real English is simple. Real English is calm. Real English uses the same small words again and again. Every day, in normal life, in real conversations. Today I will share the words I personally use every single day. These words help me speak naturally. These words help me think in English. And these words can help you too. Let us start with the word actually. This word is everywhere in daily English. I use it when I want to explain something clearly or correct an idea. For example, I might say, actually, I was tired today, or actually, I did not understand at first. This word makes your sentence sound natural and honest. Native speakers use actually when they want to sound polite but clear. Another word I use every day is probably. This word is very useful because life is not always certain. We are often guessing. We are often unsure. So we say, I will probably go tomorrow, or it will probably take some time. This word makes your English sound realistic and soft. Now think about the word usually. This is a daily routine word. I usually wake up early. I usually drink coffee. I usually feel tired in the evening. When you use usually, you're talking about habits. Habits are a big part of daily conversations. The next word is feel. This is one of the most important words in English. We use it for emotions and opinions. I feel happy today. I feel nervous. I feel this is a good idea. When you use feel, your English becomes personal. People connect with feelings. Another simple but powerful word is maybe. Maybe I will call you later. Maybe we can meet tomorrow. This word shows uncertainty in a friendly way. It helps you avoid sounding too direct. Now let us talk about kind of. Native speakers love this phrase. I am kind of tired. I kind of like this place. It makes your English sound relaxed and natural. It shows you are not trying too hard. The word. Stuff is also very common. I have a lot of stuff to do. I bought some stuff online. This word is used when details are not important. It keeps conversation easy. Another daily word is anyway. This word helps you move forward in a conversation. Anyway, let us continue. Anyway, I went home after that. It helps your speech flow smoothly. Now, let us talk about pretty. Not pretty like beautiful. Pretty like very or quite. I am pretty tired today. This lesson is pretty easy. This is very common in American English. The word just is everywhere. I just woke up. I just wanted to ask. It softens your sentence. It makes your English polite and natural. Another word I use daily is guess. I guess it is fine. I guess we can try again. This word helps you share opinions without sounding too strong. Let us look at still. I am still learning English. I am still tired. This word shows continuation. It is very useful in daily life. The word already is also important. I already finished my work. I already know that. It shows something happened earlier than expected. Now think about really. I really like this. I am really tired. This word adds emotion. It makes your sentence stronger. But do not overuse it. Another common word is thing. I want to tell you one thing. This thing is important. Simple and flexible. The word around is also very useful. Around 5 o'clock. Around my house. It shows approximation and makes your English sound natural. Now let us talk about seem. It seems easy. It seems difficult. This word is great when You are not fully sure. The word need is everywhere. I need help. I need time. This is basic English, but very powerful. Another daily word is try. I will try again. Try your best. This word shows effort and positivity. Why the word happen is essential. What happened today? It happens sometimes. This word is important for stories. The word mean is used all the time. What do you mean? I mean that I agree. Native speakers say, I mean, very often. Another daily word is okay. Everything is okay. Are you okay? It is friendly and universal. The word sure is also very common. Sure, I can help. Sure, no problem. It sounds confident and polite. Now let us talk about rape. You are right now. This word has many uses. The phrase maybe later is also very common. It sounds honest and polite. The word let's is powerful. Let's go. Let's try. It invites action and connection. Now, let me tell you something important. You do not need thousands of words to speak English well. You need the right words. These daily words build fluency. When you repeat them again and again, your brain relaxes. Your mouth moves faster. Your confidence grows. Speak slowly. Speak simply. Use these words every day. Talk to yourself. Describe your life. Describe your feelings. English is not about being perfect. English is about being understood. If you use these words daily, English will stop feeling scary. It will start feeling normal, comfortable, familiar, and that is how real English fluency grows.